Hi, I'm Pâmela Alexandre, a research scientist at CSIRO, and I'll share some of the results of the Pinkeye survey that CSIRO and Angus Australia run between December 2021 and January 2022. So if you are one of the 238 participants, thank you. The information you share will help us create a phenotyping guide for Pinkeye so we can understand better the genetics behind this disease and develop tools to select superior animals. So most of the participants were located in New South Wales and Victoria, and most of them are Angus cattle breeders only. When we ask, have you seen Pinkeye in your cattle in the last 5 years? 97% answered yes, and almost half of the participants said they saw Pinkeye every year in the last 5 years. When we ask how often do you check your cattle for Pinkeye, 45% said weekly and 23% said when handling cattle. So this is important information to help us come up with this phenotyping guide and the frequency that would work. When we ask if you keep records of Pinkeye incidents, 96 participants said yes, which is awesome. And they usually record in the format of treatment details. When we ask about the estimated percentage of cattle affected by Pinkeye in 2020, the average answer was 5%, although we saw a lot of variation between herds. And when we ask about animals affected in both eyes, the answer was on average 2%, although again, a lot of variation exists between herds. When we ask about which season Pinkeye is more frequent, 68% said summer. And when we asked about age group, most of participants said winters. So that's according to the literature and also helpful when we are trying to decide on the phenotyping guide and when is the best time to do it. When we ask about signs associated to Pinkeye, the most frequent one was increased tearing, which is important sign associated with Pinkeye, but also change in eye color and lesion on the center of the eyeball. When we ask about under what feed condition have you observed Pinkeye outbreaks, most of participants, so 60% said graze on improved pastures. But two other very important risk factors that we identified was dusty conditions, and that includes when handling animals, and flies. A very good outcome of the survey was when we asked about the effects of Pinkeye in your enterprise. And more than answering about decreasing sales value, farm profits, or significant treatment costs, the highest effect was related to animal welfare issue. So most of participants understand that the biggest issue with Pinkeye is the animal welfare side of it. When we ask when do you treat Pinkeye, 41% said always. But here, a limiting factor for treating Pinkeye seems to be the fact that when handling cattle to apply treatment, there is an increased risk of further disease spread. And when we ask about treatment, most participants said Pinkeye ointment or eye patches. So this seems to be the most common treatment. Fly control also appears as an important one. Not much antibiotics use and even less related to the use of vaccines. So these are some of the results for now. If you are interested to know more about the project, please get in contact to us, and thank you for your time.